Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this day, March 10, nag-email yung taga YouTube. So ito yung sabi, upcoming tax changes to your YouTube earnings. We're reaching out because Google will be required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside of the US later this year. Over the next few weeks, will be asking you to submit your tax info in AdSense to determine the correct amount of taxes to deduct. If any apply, if your tax info isn't provided by May 31, 2021, Google will be required to deduct up to 24% of your total earnings worldwide. So, kailangan natin i-update yung tax info natin sa Google AdSense. What do I need to do? In the next few weeks, you will receive an email to submit your tax information in AdSense. The online tax tool in AdSense is 6 steps, and it will ask you a series of questions to guide through the process of to determine in any US taxes apply. So, pupunta po tayo sa, ito po yung recording ko. So, pupunta po tayo sa Google AdSense natin, www.google.com/AdSense. So, yan po. So, meron po dito yung scroll down nyo lang. Saan na ba yun? Punta po tayo sa payments. Ito po, manage tax info. Yan. Meron po dito mga 6 question or need na i-fill up. So, add tax info. Then, enter your email address and your password of your Google AdSense. Then, meron po ditong mga question. The first question is, what type of account is your channel name is? So, meron itong choices, individual or non-individual or entity. So, yung sa akin is individual. So, put natin yung individual. Then, next. Then, the next question is, are you citizen or resident of United States? So, hindi tayo nakatira sa or hindi tayo taga-US. So, no. Then, next. So, select W8 tax form type. Based on your previously selected answers, a W8 form is needed. So, first choice is W8BAN or BEN. This form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. So, the second choice is this form is most commonly used by non-US business entity or individual that earns income related to its US trade or business and files at a US income tax. So, non-US tayo. So, ito yung W8BAN ang i-tap natin. Then, start W8BN form. So, yun, nandito na tayo sa tax identity. So, name individual is, my name 3 is Philippines. Next is your taxpayer identification number. a taxpayer identification number or TIN, processing number required by the IRS tax forms. For foreign, include any other foreign personal identity such Korean resident registration. Hindi yun sa foreign tayo. So, yung nilagay ko guys is my number. Ito, sa email address na tayo. So, check natin itong permanent resident address sa Philippines. So, I will put my first address. Ito yung nasa yung itong address. So, ayan. Nasa automatic na siya nag-update. So, mailing address is the same as permanent resident address. So, check na lang natin yan. Then, province is Cebu. Check natin yan. So, next question is about tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So, the first choice is about the U.S. tax law may impose a 30% withholding tax on payments that are considered U.S. source about U.S. to. So, then next is resident of the country claiming with the U.S. Dito. Put natin yung Philippines. So, dito, special rates and condition. You may be exempt or have taxes withheld at a reduced rate on certain income types earned within the U.S. These reduced rates exemptions vary among countries and specific income types. Select all that apply to you. You can claim any future income type that you may plan to earn from Google products. So, services, AdSense. So, icheck. As a tax resident of the country identified in the tax identity section, the individual identified in the tax identity section, which does not perform independent personal services. Pipiliin natin. Tapos, dito sa second, dito naman sa motion picture and TV. So, check natin yan. 30%. Dito guys. Tapos dito. 0% sa services and AdSense. Dito sa motion picture and TV, 15% reduced rate. Then, ito natin next. Yan, check natin daw yan. So, next na po. Ang hirap talaga nito, no? So, this is the document. So, check nyo lang yan. I confirm that I reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. So, next. Yan. Legal name, so yung totoong yung pangalan natin. The last is, are you the person listed in the signature section? So yes, tayo po yan. So kung ano naman po, kung hindi po kayo merong dito, sa mga agent, attorney in fact, may mga SPA pa ba to? If no, I'm signing on behalf of the person listed in the section as agent, attorney in fact. Okay. So next, has activities and services performed in the US. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google within US? Wala tayo dyan, no? Then, check yung I certify. Then, the next is, are you providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments, or an existing payments profile that has previously received payments? So, dito sa last question, guys, kapag kapag yung first choice is kung bago kayo tapos hindi pa kayo naka-receive ng sahod kay YouTube, so i-check nyo yan. Pero kung naka-receive na kayo ng sahod kay YouTube, so dito kayo mag-check sa second option. Yan. So sa akin, hindi ba ako naka-receive ng sahod? So dito tayo sa providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments. So, submit na to. O, review muna natin, ha. That's all, guys, my tutorial. Sana may natutunan kayo. So this is my first tutorial. So bye.